This is a get ready with me for wiping this off afterwards because nobody wants to date me, but at least I'm wearing pink, like kind of the color of love, I guess, I don't know. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi, your favorite beauty blogger in front of a white wall, and you know what that means. Basically, Valentine's Day is kind of coming up right now, and I obviously don't have a Valentine because I'm fucking ugly and I fucking suck and I'm just annoying. But I figured I might as well share like my life hack, very quick wake up tutorial for your Valentine's date if you have one, and you can try it at home and follow it because this is obviously a professional makeup show and I'm obviously like the next James Charles, and you should follow this because like why the fuck not? So for this little routine that I did like on Valentine's Day every single year for my entire life, because obviously that's how you do it, you know. Back in kindergarten I was on my grind doing that very dramatic makeup and it was a fun time. Everybody loved me at Valentine's Day. So yeah, this totally is a look that gets you all the girls, all the boys. We don't discriminate, whoever you prefer. It's 2019, love whoever the fuck you want. Or don't love anyone, because I literally don't really love anyone except for my mom because people fucking suck. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. We're obviously gonna start off with the base. I'm gonna use a bit of foundation to hide all my insecurities because this is like really important whenever you like go on a date and shit. You want to make that other person fall for you before they actually see how ugly you are underneath the surface. You know what, I've shown you how I kind of do like my base in so many videos and I totally suck at it, but you can totally check out my other very professional makeup tutorials in the description down below. I did one on Christmas, it was a fun time, it looked super cute, it was like all glam and stuff, so you want to check that out for sure. Actually, should I like continue doing those for every single holiday, because I'm down for it.
A few moments later.
Wow, the natural lighting really sucks today. Sorry guys. Anyway, basically I just put on some concealer. Didn't really blend that very nicely because why the fuck would I? I'm still dumb little me. So now we are gonna see my attempt of contour. Fuck. You know what? At least it's kind of even. Like it looks just as bad on this side as it looks on this side, I guess. Gonna do a quick little brow sesh. I always feel like this one is so much thinner than this one. It's not even real. Like I don't know how that happened. Said it before, gonna say it again. Eyebrows are not twins. They are also not sisters in my case. They aren't even kind of related, I guess. Anyway, let's do some quick little highlighter and then we're gonna get on with like the eye look, I guess. The lighting is so annoying. Okay, so now on to the actually Valentine's Day inspired kind of element of this fantastic professional look. The eyes! What the fuck was that movement? I don't even know. Also, I'm like jumping out and in of character. What the fuck is going on in this video? I'm confused. So for today's eye look, I kind of just like wanted to go very simple, just a little bit of pink and shit. Like this stuff is not pigmented. What the fuck is happening? So if you're following along this tutorial at home, which obviously you are, just like go for all the pinks and reds, all the glitter, just throw it all on there. Keep it kind of basic, kind of simple, but still cute AF, because the thing that we're actually gonna focus on today is the eyeliner. Ooh, got some lilac right here. Let's put this in the... Oh fuck, what have I done? Also, if you are like wondering why I'm not really using brushes right now, I never wash my brushes and I don't kind of want to ruin the only eyeshadow brush that I actually own because I'm gonna have to wash it and I'm too lazy for that. Okay, I guess that's it for like the little bit lilac shimmer moment right there. You have it. Can you see it? Probably not, because the lighting is horrible. Shimmer lilac stuff on my lips as well, because I don't own a lipstick, but you kind of want to accentuate the lips obviously because you want your date to make love to you. So that's why you want your lips to kind of stand out and be like, hi, hello, kiss me. Okay, so as I said, today's look is all focused around the eyeliner, so we're gonna move on to that step right now. And I'm a little bit excited for that, but mostly I'm just like very scared, very shook, and I know that this won't turn out as I expect it to be. So first you kind of want to line your eye as you normally would, which in my case is not at all because I fucking suck at eyeliner. This is gonna be exciting. You know what, if we all just kind of agree that this never happened, no one can prove that it did. So what you want to do now is kind of mimic your wing. Oh, fuck. But instead of doing a wing, you're just gonna follow that line and create a little heart shape. Like so. And let's do the same thing on the other side and hope that it kind of doesn't look even more horrible than this side. Hannah. So once you've done this and kind of regretted all your life decisions for a few minutes, you then wanna maybe, I don't know, maybe like draw like another heart underneath or something. Ugh, I'm like confused. Hi, not gonna lie, this one actually kind of looks cute. Thumbs up this video if you want to see me actually get this like tattooed on my face, because no regrets. Anyways, I'm like done with makeup for like the next century or so, except if you guys want me to do it again. Leave a comment down below on what exactly I should do. Maybe I should like follow a James Charles tutorial. I know a friend of mine actually suggested that lately. Also, while you're down there, you can totally subscribe, click the bell, all that good stuff, you know, I would totally appreciate it. And I might have some other Valentine's Day related videos coming. You can also check out my other social medias. I'm really active over there at the moment, especially on Instagram lately. So you want to check that out, and please tag me in all your photos of your recreations of this wonderful look. Anyway, I'm gonna go probably like just like wash this off of my face before anyone sees me. So thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! I read through my cringy old AF fanfiction full of cheating, forbidden kisses, and a lot of drama. Look at me falling asleep in Harry Styles' bed while I'm in a relationship with Niall Horan. This is not gonna end well, let me tell ya. It's basically me writing about my first time with Niall Horan. Harry stopped me with a kiss.